This demo showcases how Link Finder AI helps you find LinkedIn email addresses for your leads efficiently. You'll see how to enrich data, upload bulk files, and access API documentation to streamline your sales outreach. Switch to the Link Finder AI website to start using its data enrichment features. Click Start Free Trial to create a free account and explore Link Finder AI's capabilities. Fill in Bill Gates as the lead's full name to begin the data enrichment process. Click Company Name to specify the company associated with the lead. Fill in Microsoft as the lead's company name to refine the search. Click Enrich Data to retrieve detailed information about the lead based on the provided name and company. Click the LinkedIn profile link https://www.linkedin.com/in/William Gates to view the lead's professional profile. Click the data type dropdown to choose the kind of information you want to enrich, such as company name, domain, or email address. Fill the data type field to specify the type of data you want to retrieve for your lead. Click the Output Type dropdown to select the format of the enriched data, including LinkedIn profile data, phone number, or email address. Fill the Output Type field to define the desired format for the enriched lead information. Click the Input field labeled Enter LinkedIn Profile URL to provide the lead's LinkedIn profile link. Fill in https://www.linkedin.com/in/William Gates as the lead's LinkedIn profile URL to proceed with enrichment. Click Enrich Data to find the lead's email address using their LinkedIn profile URL. Click the displayed email address bill.gates@microsoft.com to view detailed contact information. Click Upload CSV Bulk to activate bulk mode and process multiple leads at once. Click Select File to choose a CSV file containing lead information for bulk enrichment. Click the File selector to browse and upload your CSV file with lead data. Click Process 100 items to start finding email addresses for each lead in your uploaded CSV file. Click Export to download the enriched lead data, including email addresses, as a CSV file. Click API Access to explore programmatic options for integrating Link Finder AI with your systems. Click View API Docs to read detailed instructions on how to use Link Finder AI's API endpoints. Click B2B Data Lookup to access API calls related to business-to-business data enrichment. Click Find a person's LinkedIn URL from their full name and company to see the API call for retrieving LinkedIn URLs. Click the curl command example showing how to post a request to find a LinkedIn URL using the API. Click Post Lead Full Name TALinked ELRL Sync to test the API endpoint that finds LinkedIn URLs from lead names. Click Post LinkedIn Profile to Email Sync to test the API endpoint that retrieves email addresses from LinkedIn profiles. Click the curl command example demonstrating how to post a request to find email addresses from LinkedIn profiles using the API.